Hi, my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our Fiat Ducato recovery truck. This is a 2016 model and has had one owner from new. As you can see, you can finance this vehicle for as little as £68 per week. Now, showing you into the front of the cab area, you can see it's been very well looked after and maintained, and there's no signs of any rips or tears in the seats. Now, it's got the ever popular Alco chassis on the back of this. The Alco chassis is very popular, but also we've got good working lights as well. You can see it better from this side. Let me show you into the engine bay of our Fiat Ducato recovery truck. Now, not a lot to see because of the engine covers, but apart from that, we've got the engine coolant level is there at the correct mark where it needs to be. There's no signs of any oil leaks. I have had a good look round. Overall, in general, very good condition. So now on to the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Fiat Ducato recovery truck, where I'm going to be demonstrating for you today the gears, the steering and the brakes. But firstly, let's get the engine started up. As one would expect, it starts up straight away with no dashboard warning lights on, and there's no unusual noises coming from the engine. So part of the video appraisal on the road test is to get up to 60 miles an hour so I can demonstrate to you the gears, the steering and the brakes, and talk about any features that this recovery truck has. Now, as you can see, I'm going through the gearbox really nicely. There we go, straight up into 6th gear. Now, this does come complete with electric windows. We got a stereo system with steering wheel controls. Also, we've got electric mirrors as well. Now, these vehicles are lovely to drive. It's got great steering. You can see I'm demonstrating here. If I take the hands off, you can see it sits there in a straight line. I'm just going to be testing out the brakes for you now on a process roundabout. So now, braking, take my hands off the steering wheel. There we go. As you can see, there's no juddering and there's no pulling. And that is the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Fiat Ducato recovery truck. Thank you very much for watching this video.